Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to delete the last saved point. So let's say you're out surveying, you accidentally hit that RTK fix button, you have no idea what your point ID or description was, and you just want to get rid of the last point you shot. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I'm going to select that RTK fix button and save a point like I accidentally clicked it in the field. That's going to be point ID number 11, and I'll show you why that's important in a second here. So I saved the point, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to head to the plumb bob in the bottom left corner. I'm going to open up my main menu here, and within my main menu I'm going to select Survey Tools and then Delete Last Saved Point. It's going to ask me if I do want to delete the previously saved point number 11, which, as I mentioned, that was the point I just saved, so that is the one I want to delete. So what I'm going to do is click on Yes, and if I go back to my map view here and store another point, just to show you, because it'll have a different point ID. If I go into my point database, you can see that I have point 10 and 12, but I'm missing point 11, which was the one I deleted. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you delete the last saved point within FieldGenius. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really just helps out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.